Okay, now we're at a Deluxe Ocean, room number 1028. Deluxe Ocean, so we have the same setup as the other rooms. And then this one has the louvers, privacy. We're gonna have a king bed in here, and a different view. See, it's very nice. It feels like we're in Hawaii.
So Deluxe, you can see the view from the inside of your room.
The Deluxe, you can see the view from inside your room. So look, not even going out in the lanai, look at your view. That's your view from sitting on the bed. Here, I'm sitting on the bed. This is your view. Workstation, TV. Now you get to see these guys working hard on that new roof. So here's your lanai. This is what everybody wants to come to Hawaii. You want to spend some money and have a view. And you got, here's your full view. Men at work. Look at that beach. It's not crowded. Looks like they're setting up for something. A luncheon down there. The parking, and they got a nice little gift shop area and other shops. There's a gym over there. What is that?
Luau.
Oh yeah, the on-site luau. So very nice. And there's the tennis courts. Yeah. And where's the pool?
It's inside there.
It's inside the tennis courts area.
Right, yeah.
And look, they have like a stadium court there with the stands and all that. That's great. Tennis fans, call me. We put together. You can put your own little tournament together. KVS Travel. Thank you.